Hello guys, welcome back to Fellas Haven. Today is a beautiful day. We're going to be working on something else, another DIY. But before we get right into the video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you're notified each and every time that I post a video. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm sorry for my manners. I didn't ask how you're doing. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are enjoying yourself, and I hope you guys enjoyed last week's video. If you did, please just comment something, say something, share the video, and also follow me on my Instagram so that you can see pictures of me wearing the beautiful dress. So today we're going to be working on this jumpsuit. I'm going to wear it so that you guys can see how it looked before I start working on it. It's a jumpsuit, it's a kaftan jumpsuit, whatever you want to call it. That is what it is. So I'm going to wait so that you guys can see the before and after, and I'm going to try and make two outfits from this jumpsuit. So today we're going to be making a halter dress. It's just a shift dress, loose fitting a bit, and has a halter neck on it. That's what we're going to be working on today. So stay tuned and stay with me and follow through the video and watch a beautiful piece that is going to come out of this jumpsuit. So this is the layout of the jumpsuit, but I'm going to focus on this side only. I've laid my dress. Like I told you, we're going to be making a shift dress and halter neck. So forget this part. I just wanted the shape of the dress. After cutting the shape of the dress, I'm going to work on the neckline. So this is me just randomly marking. I'm just randomly marking where I'm going to be cutting, because this dress is just an outline to guide me whilst I cut the jumpsuit, so that the dress won't be too small. So this is, as you can see, this is the dress. I perfectly fit in this, and there is allowance. So I'm just going to cut through this marking so that I work with this part of the jumpsuit. As you can see, I've cut my jumpsuit. Now I'm going to fold it like so. This part is where I'm going to cut my neckline, and this is going to be the bottom side of the dress. So now I'm just going to mark how I want my neckline to look from here to here. If you want, you can use your perfect fitting dress that you like the most. That's what you can use to do what I'm doing right now. I'm just randomly placing because I don't want it to be tight. I want it to have a loose fit. So now I'm just cutting where I have marked. This is the neckline, and I'm cutting both for the back and for the front because I want to put a halter neck there. This is my armhole. This is me just cutting through to neaten the side seams like so. you can see here, this is not aligned, so my dress I have to cut this part. So this is what I'm going to use for my halter neck. This is the material that I'm going to use for my halter neck. These are the two pieces. These are the two pieces of the dress, the front and the back. And I'm going to be using this excess material that I cut at the bottom of the dress as the neckline, as the halter neck. So this will be the idea of the dress. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to stitch the sides of the dress, and I would want to leave an allowance here so that I can have slits by the sides. So now this, you just need to look for the center. This is the back part, by the way. You just look for the center part of the dress and mark. After marking it, you cut it out so that you can be able to put a zipper. If you don't want to put a zipper, then you have to make sure that maybe you cut an opening that's good enough for you to be able to put the halter neck and for you to slip through the dress. So now I'm just going to cut through the marking. All the way down. So that we can have a seam at the back. So this is the next stage now. After cutting it through, as you can see, it's now open. After cutting it out like this, you want to put your halter neck, you want to join your halter neck to the neckline of the dress. So I'm just going to mark all the way here. So I'm just going to pin it. I'm just going to pin my halter neck on the neckline so that it looks like this. Hope you guys can see. So that this is the idea of the neck, like so. You guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, press that like button, press that subscribe button, and share it with someone. Until next time, stay blessed.